What are you doing? What are you doing? Can you smile? Can you smile? Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's not a poopy smile. It's a happy smile for mommy, huh? It's a happy smile for mommy. Mm. What? What are you doing? I love you. Don't you fall asleep. You wake up, yeah. You smile for Grandma, Grandpa. Yeah. You say hi? You gonna say hi? Say hi. Say I clawed myself because mom's not good at cutting my nails. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Say bye.